There we go, there we go. Alright, where's Zoomy boy? There we go. There we go, there we go. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Okay, that's up over here. Good morning, good morning. Okay, amazing stuff. Let's just get this all sorted. Yeah.
Morning.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome everyone. To Tuesday, let's take a look at Forex Factory over here, and then we'll get started. Welcome, welcome everyone. We're looking good. We're looking good. And yeah. 1 second. Yeah, my electricity went out last night. I was like, shit, I was in the fucking Stone Ages. It came back on. Oh, that coffee's good shit. Okay. So, taking a look at news today, we are okay for London session, okay? We're all good for London session, which makes it a lot easier to take trades because there's no news in the way, okay? Secondly, there's no US really. At 1:30 there's some revised non-farm productivity, but nothing too much, which is grand. Let me just read the ruffle of someone's bed or something. And yeah. So yesterday we tried to take some GJ sells over here. Where did they actually happen? Yeah, right here. At 1:30 to continue down. I actually did do it eventually, but yeah, came up first over here. But the 30-minute closed below, so I was like, yes, we did top wick and then drived. But yeah, a lot of people got slapped on that. I only took a 6.8 pip loss, so it was very, very tasty. So let's get into this, guys. This is the daily time frame. The daily time frame over here is bullish, okay? So last candle closed bullish, didn't really close above, which is annoying, but this candle has exceeded and looks quite good for buys. This next candle over here is also it's bearish, sorry, but it looks like a good structure. It's got 2 hours and 28 minutes left, a lot of time to then flip and continue. So that could be an option over here. Look at the lower time frames, you can see the hourly's made some kind of resistance right at where resistance was before. Okay, let's take a look on the lower time frames. You can kind of see over here that there is a support now at 937 that's just formed. Okay, we've got a resistance at 151,100, so potentially buys above. I'm going to be looking for, I think. Don't really want to be looking for sells, I think, maybe, until potentially we close below, probably say 850. Let's take a look over here. Just looking to the left and see where the resistance was. It's more further down, like here, 799. Yeah, potentially sells below 800, because that'll be closing back below this zone, and this should fill this zone up over here. But mainly I want to focus on buys, to be honest. On GJ, pretty bullish on GJ, and this 4-hour candle just made a bottom wick, and hopefully we then can continue to flip and then exceed, which would be nice for us. That GJ loss yesterday was worldwide. Yeah, everyone took that loss. Everyone took that loss. Okay, so hourly's got 26 minutes left. It is bearish, has exceeded the low of the previous, so you can't really take any trades right now. However, the 50 minutes are making some support, which is good. Very, very good. But yeah, I'm probably going to wait for a 30-minute closure, maybe. or another 15 back in the zone. I do want buys above the 100 level. If you do get buys above the 100 level, where are we going to go to? Well, let's take a look. If we exceed 100, next resistance is kind of minor one at 160, but a main one at 210, which is good. That's like 10 pips away. Right around here. If we break above 200, we should come towards potentially 330. And then even more so 442. So we've got some nice zones to break above if you want to continue. But as I said, I'm going to be a bit cautious with the sells, really. I kind of want sells below 800, I think. So let me just write on this over here. So buys above. Buys above 151,107. Easy peasy. I took the same sell on GJ yesterday, but I know it's dangerous to counter the bullish trend. So after 4 or 5 pips in profit, I put stops at break even. Yeah, I never got 4 or 5 pips. I think I got in a bit later than like controller effects. And I saw the wicks to the left, which I wanted to push stops to break even, but I was only literally on like 2 pips. So yeah, that's what I was gonna do as well. It was let me just show you where it was. Where the fuck was it? Yeah, so let's take a look on the 15-minute. I think you can see it over here. I wanted to put my stop loss to break even here and get in, but I got in a bit later. I got in like here for some reason. So yeah, I wasn't up that much. But yeah, I did want my stops to break even in this zone because you can see here we had support forming there anyway, so could have been a tricky zone. But anyway, 6 pip loss is delicious. Very, very happy with that. So let's take a look at some more charts over here while I wait for GJ to present itself. Rejected them lows again. So yeah, it's looking pretty nice. The hourly's, you know, rejecting them lows as well, but the 4 hour is not with us yet, but soon it may be. So let's take a look at gold as well. Morning everyone on YouTube and Telegram. How many people in Zoom over here? 24 people. Jeez. Finishing off the year right with us. Beautiful stuff. So let's get rid of all this shit. You can see it's not in the best zone, gold, as you can see here. You know, candles are next to each other, not really going anywhere, which is a bit of a pain. So the daily candle is bullish. Ah, fuck, I mean, that was shit. Yeah, daily candle is bullish. The 4 hour over here is also bullish. Doesn't really have much of a bottom wick, but it's pretty strong. Looking at on the hourly time frame, see quite a lot of traffic in this area. I think sells below 1777.25 here would be nice for us, I think, to continue down potentially. And for me, for buys, I'd probably look for buys above 1784 to then continue back up to fill the range to 17. You know, 1787 would be nice for us. That's a nice zone to fill, for sure, for sure. So yeah, I'll keep that in mind on gold. The higher time frames are showing quite bullish structure, but the daily for me is still giving a bit warning signs. You know, you should be able to look at the daily and go, you know what, this could be a bit of a bad range to play in, because look, prices, you know, in this zone, it's not really, you know, giving me clean candles like this, so it can make it quite hard to take trades for sure, but hey ho. Yeah, so I'm wanting for closures above. Let me just write this on over here. Ooh, actually on the 15 there's shit here as well. Yeah, this is not nice actually. I'm probably gonna have to wait then potentially for a closure above 1787 for me. GJ breaking below the mark. I've got it at 800. So 50 minutes coming down. Let me take a look from zone to zone. I mean, yeah, to be fair, to this low, it's actually not that bad. Let's just see how far this is. Yeah, 12 pips isn't too bad, to be honest. My only issue is the daily time frame. Look at it. Does that look like a bearish candle? Not really, does it? It's pretty the complete opposite of a bearish candle. So I kind of want to be careful with this because of the fact it happened kind of yesterday as well. You know, we're in a bullish trend over here. Nothing's really changed. It's just having a couple candles to make some support to then potentially continue. So I'm going to be a bit cautious with sells. I want sells below maybe 800. But if you don't get there, then yeah, I'm not taking sells in here. I just don't trust it. What's your record for December London session? Absolutely no trades, really. December we started. I haven't taken... I know, on last Thursday I did. I took two gold trades. One win, one loss, and I think that no other trades. It's been a very, very, very slow session through December and November. To be fair, December it's only been like 2 days, so... But yeah, November was slow for London. My God, yesterday was more volume in London than any other time in November, just in one December day. So yeah, so some people are also saying they're not sure of a sells and GJ because of the daily candle. Yeah, that kind of makes sense for me. The daily candle is way too big, man. This just looks like a pullback then continue. I'm not going to be taking these quick sells here. I'm going to be waiting patiently. Yeah, I'm going to wait patiently for that. Make sure to like the stream, guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm here, all chilling. So yeah, finally got my electricity back, so I can actually fucking do some work. Holy shit. It went off like 5 o'clock. Very, very annoying. Let's take a look at GA. GA. So get rid of it. Let's start again from scratch. You know, it's the same technique for every single pair. It's not hard. Just mark your zones. You can see here straight away the daily is pretty bearish. 4 hour is pretty bearish as well. So the first things that should be in your head right now is that price is pretty bearish. So I should really be only looking for that. Okay, so looking at it on the lower time frames over here, you kind of see there is a support which is just tapped over here, which is right around 1.87250. That makes sense, because it was resistance before here, now it's support right here. If price closes below though, however, it should come back down to the next support, which is here. So let's just see how big this zone is over here. Yeah, 38 pip zone, that's pretty nice, to be honest. The hourly's closed below the support as well, which is good. But yeah, maybe potentially closures below would be nice for me. That would be pretty good. How do you add text on the horizontal lines? Well, I just saved mine, but if you just want to do this, you just do a line, click on it, and then you just show text and just do this. And then if you want to save it, you just do save as, and then you can just put it on every time. Pretty good. I did a withdrawal yesterday for November, December, so pretty much done trading capital ready for January. Beautiful, Brown. Beautiful. Good lad. Good lad. Yeah, we're winding down. We're winding down. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this hourly. I think if you try taking sells here, you look to the left. You know, it's a big area of support. I just don't trust these sells. That's just from experience and knowing that, you know, we are bullish. We're very, very bullish. This 4 hours just making a bottom wick. As long as it doesn't exceed the low of the previous. The daily's still highly bullish, so yeah, I'm not really doing that. Will you January simulation this week? Yes. Oh yes. And then through the holidays, when I go on holiday on the 17th, I'll be posting like simulations all week and stuff like that. So yeah, that'll be pretty good. I'm in sells already. Nice. Looks like that's gonna work well for you. I was not playing with that, especially with that 15 closing back above here. Yeah, GG should be retesting the previous break and then continue. Yeah. right around here. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. If I see this hourly closing below though, and then making a top wicket in the drive down, maybe. But yeah, I'm still gonna be a bit cautious with these sells over here. With the sells, boy. So I'm gonna wait now. It's only 60 minutes left. I'm probably gonna wait for this hourly to close now. There's no like big, so like if I want to enter a trade before you know, 8 o'clock, it has to be pretty set in stone. Like I've been waiting for it, it's working now. If it's just a bit kind of, you know, oh well I could enter here, then I'll just wait until the hourly. Would have been happy to enter, but the 50-minute candle stopped me. Yeah. Most trades mid-November and December have closed on support and resistance. Has caused a lot of no trades. Yes, there's been a lot of no trades really. Last week I took I think 5 trades, but 2 of them were on the last day. So yeah, very low amount of trades. But that's what you got to do, man. You got to learn which weeks to take tons of trades and which weeks to take a very minimal amount. This is the learning that you need to learn, and which I wish I had when I was younger. You actually learn it the hard way, man, the hard way. So looking at GU, so higher time frames, the 4 hour, it's kind of the same situation as GJ over here, making the lower wick. If this flips and continues, this is going to look nice to continue over here. Like that. Okay, that's going to be looking pretty saucy. So yeah, same kind of thing. Don't really trust these sells really at all. Especially with GU here, making some bullish candles. I mean, the last 50-minute here is pretty weak, but yeah, let's take a look over here. 1.32888, nice. Take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's not too bad to be honest. If we can move this over here. Good morning, buddy. Good morning everyone. Who's in the Zoom today? The boys here, yes. Finny boys in, Duco's in. And yeah, so what I'm really going to be waiting for is GJ to kind of give me some support to form. This is a key level. If you do start pounding down furthermore, then I will start to look for sells. When this daily gets even weaker, like in this area. But at the moment, I'm still chilling. Just don't think it's going to be much of a selling opportunity. And yeah, beautiful. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. Oh my god, a sneeze just wiped me out. Goddamn. Yeah, make sure you like the stream. Really helps me out. Let's see. Actually, to be honest, this fucking. I went on YouTube. I'm getting copyrighted, and I don't know why. I'm using copyright-free music, but clearly one of the songs have like been uncopyrighted, because it is annoying as shit. Now look here, I think. Yeah, copyright claim. Yeah, 7th, 6th. I think 6th is okay, but yeah, these are all copyrighted. I'm like, bro, what? Don't copyright me, boy. That means less magic keys, man. Oh, by the way, I've got a story about my fucking AirPods. Oh my god, I was so annoyed. I was at the train. I went to go for a piss. Had my AirPods in. One of them fell in the toilet. Oh mate, I wanted to fucking kill myself. So I sat there trying to finger this fucking toilet. At least it was a piss, so I was alright. Trying to get this fucking thing out. Never got it, and yeah, I lost my AirPod. So yeah, that was great. That was amazing. So I was like, mate, no. I had like 2 minutes to get out of my train. I was like, oh mate, I fucked that. Oh mate, it's so annoying because I could feel it as well, but I just couldn't get it out. I was like, oh man. They stay in my ears well though, so I don't know what happened. Bro, that happened to me. It's literally money down the toilet. Can you get a replacement one? Like, how does it work, and how much is it? Like, I try to find
Can
like
you
hmm?
you imagine sending that back? Hey guys, sorry, can I get this on warranty? I dropped it in my piss.
Yeah, can I just have a little taster? Can you just fucking redo it for me, please? It's got a bit of piss residue on it, but it should be good. You can sell one half of an AirPod. Nah, like Apple do a thing. Like I try to do it, like a repair, not a repair thing, but like a fucking replacement. But I couldn't find it. A replacement is like 80 euros. Oh, it's like 80 quid. That's alright. That's actually not that bad. I just spent like 120 or some shit. Would you take GJ in the 50-minute flip, or is it too close to the 8 AM? I'm away for the 8 AM, yeah. I think, and I just don't like these cells here. This is the zone we're in. Mainly from here. You can see candles on the hourly closed here, rejected. So it's making some support. There's also support here as well. It's just a zone that I don't think cells are going to be the most valid trade for me to take. So yeah. Do you trade NAS? No. No. Just haven't been interested in it really, and I'll try and stick to like London pairs because that's where I trade London. So GBP is quite a good one to trade for sure. And yeah, so the main support is like here, isn't it? So it can chill in the zone, but yeah, definitely if they make some support to continue bullish, that would be nice for me. 4 hours still got a lot of time, so I'm happy to wait for another like 15-minute, like this next one, to potentially like close back above. Like this, next one makes a low wick and then continues here. Let's take a look and see. Yeah, stop losses aren't that bad, to be honest. So that's pretty good. We shall see, we shall see. 30 likes and they're building amazing stuff. So yeah, going to be going through quite a lot of stuff. I kind of want to do a YouTube video on like the whole strategy thing, but yeah, I've got a lot of stuff to film for the mentorship for sure as well. Ready for the the Christmas period of getting ready for January. If you guys do want to join me in January, I'm going to be posting stuff about that and what days to potentially, like, what's the best day to join and stuff. I will be starting streaming back probably on like the 3rd of January, I think. Or the 4th, something like that. And then that'll be the day probably best to come and join the squad. It'll be filling up rampantly there, so yeah. And there we go, look. So you just don't trust these cells. And then we can have some good months. So, but what I say is it's the consistency. I went through this with the group yesterday, but we looked at like Dominion Markets, some of the people who like traded on there, and their consistency is just not there, man. Being a consistent trader is being in and out each week, in and out. Profitable percentage every single week, if not like close to a profitable week each week. No like radical months that you just made like 200% and then the next one you lose 20%. Like it has to be consistent. So consistent gains, that's going to get you far. So you got to stick to it. Let's take a look at Discord then over here. We've got a lot of charts to look at. So green bulls over here, looking for closures above 1784. Yeah, it's a bit choppy area though, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, that kind of looks okay. A little bit of a zone to come to, but for me, I'm probably just going to wait until 1787 zone, I think. For GJ, you're looking for closes above 200, okay. Yep. And you're looking for sells below, so yeah, you're only looking for kind of buys. When we get to 151 200, that's fair enough. Which broker do you use? I use IC Markets. If you guys do want to join that, make sure to use my link. The withdrawals are like within the 2 days. They're pretty delicioso. So yeah. Who is Dave as well? Looking for buys above. Looking pretty good. Yeah, I can see this kind of resistance here to the left, but I do think with London volume we should continue. When we get to these highs anyway, stops to break even would be probably the best option, to be honest. I wish IC markets accept my country. Yeah, it is annoying, man. So which one do you use, Joe? How is Dominion Markets? I think it's good. It's from someone who's been in this industry for a while. He's not gonna fuck you over, so probably pretty good. I'd use him. Same with Ted. Same with Ted silencing the markets. That's not his broker. His broker's called Traders Domain, but I think both of them is probably the best if you don't do IC, because you know they've been in the game. You know, they've been in the game for time. So let's take a look. Yep, same kind of issue here. This is only a 7 pips to the next one, which is a bit annoying, but I do think if you get in a bit earlier, it could be nice as well. 61.8 fib retrace, okay, yeah. And this quite zone's nice below as well. It's quite a hard one we're in with GJ. But look at this. Oh, yes. Look at that rejection. Does Dominion Markets have quick withdrawals? I have no idea. I have no idea. I've only used IC Markets, so I could only see it on that one. GA, hello. GA is pretty nice over here, trending quite nicely. Trending quite nicely. So what's GJ done? Reacted exactly where I said it would react. Kind of making some support over here finally. The hourly and the 30-minute are about to close. It would be nice if it could close like above over here, like 935. That would be pretty solid, to be honest. GJ closed back in the range, yet potentially. So it kind of does tell me now, gives me that confidence that price is rejecting. I look at the 5 minutes, yeah. So now, what ways to get in? Well, I'm waiting for some support to form, maybe a lower wick and then exceeding. It is a bit choppy to the left, but it's not too bad. So something like this is what I'm looking for. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. So, you know, we've done this. This is the candle that I'm wanting. Maybe I want it a bit higher, to be honest. I think potentially like a closure. I kind of want it above this candle here. Next one makes the lower wick and then continues over here. That could be decent. That could be decent. Yes, Dominion Market withdrawals are next day. That's good then. That's good stuff. Yeah, help each other out, man. Don't let anyone get stuck with a shitty broker, man, because it just ruins your time. Everyone get some good brokers out here. Get some good brokers out here, boy. So 3 minutes time, getting a closure. I really want it to close back above 934 though. To be honest with you, so yeah, may have to wait for that. I don't really like gold, to be honest. It's just the zone it's in. It's just, oh, it is not the nicest. It's not the nicest. Yeah, there's a minor one here on the 30-minute, but then if you look at the 15 over here, look at all this. So this is why I don't really use this line. It's too choppy for me. Looks like Asians moved a lot anyway, so probably gonna just relax a bit more. GA, however, looking pretty good. This hourly though, you know, if you actually look at it, this, so you know, it could be looking pretty good. You're like, oh, this is looking nice, but look at this hourly candle. It's moved not even 20 pips in the whole hour. Quite a weak candle, kind of showing that I'm maybe making some support over here. I tried Blackpool markets, but they are expensive. Oh, what do you mean it's expensive? The commission? The commission. Wow, 32 people in the Zoom as well. She's doing well. We're doing well today. A lot of people. 200 people basically watching me. Damn, son. Is there any other channels on over here? Let's See if Dr. Dollar's on. Yeah, I streamed 9 minutes ago. Oof. He finishes early, man. He trades pretty much Asian now. And no more. We here with ourselves over here. Nice. So a strong candle rejecting just what I wanted to do, making some support. Okay. Max, how come 151, 170 is not a resistance for you? It kind of is. Let's just take a look to the left. Like here? Because it did also tap the 200, so I'm not really too bothered. But anyway, yeah, right around that area anyway is going to be where I want to start to be careful with my trades. I tried BD Swiss. BD Swiss was fucking shit. Shit was nasty, boy. So a nice closure on the hourly. Let's take a look at where the hourly is going to close. Where's it going to close? It's going to close above, and so is the 30-minute. Nice. Kind of showing me it is respecting these lows, which is nice. If it came down here, for me, that would be fucking the best thing ever.
Hopefully it just doesn't do what it did yesterday. Just run off.
Yep. Oh yeah. What the fuck? Why am I in a 1 minute time frame on my fucking MetaTrader? Okay, so price is coming down, which is good, but it was also wicking up over here to then continue potentially bullish. I'm trying to look at where my stops would be. This is the only issue I have right now. Ooh, it's actually not that bad. It's actually not that bad. Fuck. So if I got in on this flip again, with a stop, yeah, I'm gonna take this, guys. Shit, 1 second. Pull back a little bit for me, boy. There we go. So I'm gonna enter right about now, guys. Open calc. Let's take a look over here. Yep. So I'm in a trade over here. Beautiful stuff. I got in right around this zone. My stop is going to be 860. I'm going to keep it at 10 pip stop. And I really want it to continue bullish over here. I really want this because it's making some support. I'm liking it. Yeah, my stop there is fine as well. I've already rejected them low, so I'm kind of happy to keep this on over here. Oh, shit, boys. Oh, smokes. Holy smokes. We're coming up nicely over here. Lovely London volume. I'm liking this now. Oh, shit. Yeah, give it a break even right now, guys. Stop loss at break even.
Or TP,
Oh, shit. TP1 smashed, guys. TP1 smashed. Holy shit. Runners could be nice over here, guys. Runners could be nice over here. Holy shit. Beautiful stuff.
Okay.
3
seconds operation.
Yeah, man. Beautiful.
I didn't have time.
You didn't have time? No. Yeah, I know. It was quick, man. Well,
Yeah, it was good.
I looked on the 5 minute and I was like, bro, this shit's making the low wick. It's done what I wanted to do, and now it's continuing. I'm not missing that shit. So, beautiful. If you guys caught that, congrats. If you guys missed it, bit of a late call, man. Yeah, well, bro, it was very, very quick. I wanted to make the low wick. It did do that, and I saw in the 5 minute it was continuing. But yeah, a bit of a late call. Sorry, guys, if you didn't catch that. But I explained anyway. I wanted support to fall. Beautiful stuff. Let's take a look over here. W's in the chat. Beautiful squad. Very, very tasty. Let's take a look over here. Got a 10 pip trade on GG over here. Lovely stuff. Let's get it. Very, very nice.
I didn't get it.
Yeah, man, looks like, well, to be fair, I did it very, very quickly, so it understands, but congrats to people who did get it. If you didn't get it, that's, you know, as long as you understand the process, what was it, you know, what were we looking for? We were looking for support to form, okay, just like this. And this is what we got. We made the lower wick, this is the confirmation candle, and exceeding the high is where I wanted to get in, okay. That is where I wanted it to go, boy. Number one, set up retest of the highs. Yep. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Make sure to spam the W's, guys, on the YouTube as well. And I'll do that. 144 people watched that trade over here. Very, very quick. Holy shit, that was like instantly in profit, man. So use the London volume. My actual stop over here, did you see, was actually at 850. So I could, you know, you can take 10 pip stops at the candle. You don't have to have it on the low if you're really, really confident with it. And I just liked how this 5 minute really rejected. So tasty. Very, very good. Congrats, guys. So, and hopefully we can continue. So what's the thing now? If we get a candle closure above over here, like there, then we're going to look even more to continue bullish over here. That would be looking delicious. If we do get the closure, potentially re-entries. Potentially. So let's just update our thing. So yesterday we had a 6 pip loss on GJ, and I just got a 10 pip gain, or 6.8 pips. So GJ plus 10. I've got around about 15% running. So nice. Wicked. So yeah, all we need to do now is respect our low here to continue bullish, potentially. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, this looks nice, man. Hopefully our runners could stay on and over here. That would be pretty tasty. And if we do get a closure in 15 minutes above, this will be looking nice to continue bullish over here. For potential re-entries, look at what else we're doing. Look what we're doing. We're flipping the 4 hour. So you can see, guys, from start to finish, I didn't trust these sells, okay? I knew the sells were not going to be valid for a long time. We're still very, very bullish. The 4 hour is just making the lower wick, which is here. So try not to get caught out unless you've got some good confirmation, because look at the daily. The daily's bullish as shit. So you got to be careful with stuff like that, guys. Gotta be careful. And yeah, so hopefully in around about 8 minutes time we can get a closure above. Very, very nice, beautiful. Yeah, that was a quick one, but most of the time it's not that quick, to be honest. That was probably the quickest one I've ever put down. I pretty sure entered straight away. I was like, yeah, boys, get in that bitch now. The only reason why I was kind of stuttering on it was I didn't know how big this low was, and it wasn't that bad. It was only like 12 pips, so I was like, fuck yeah, get into that shit. And yeah, so flipping the 4 hour now, just like we want to see, to then potentially continue over here. So yeah, I mean, potential targets 5, 7, 8 would be pretty good. But as I say, I'm going to be waiting for this candle to close above, and then I may take another entry. Show you how it's done. Let's take a look at gold. Gold has rejected some kind of resistance over here, right around this zone. Okay. GA, yeah, not really the best for me. Let's just meet some people. Someone's writing the essay over here. GU, ooh, GU kind of done the same thing as GJ, just like what we expected. Rejected some zone, making some support, which is good. So if you're looking at GU, potentially closures above over here would look nice for sure. And yeah, so what am I waiting for later on as well? Let's take a look at news. What did we say? Yeah, we got US news at 1:30, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. If you guys did catch that trade or learn about that trade, which is support forming, make sure you give a like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, also subscribe as well. Yeah, we're nearly gonna hit 2,000 subscribers, which is amazing. I Do, 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 do. 2,000 subscribers. That'll be a mad milestone. But yeah, this is a really good example of don't really think about sells straight away if the daily's so bullish. Even though the 4 hour was bearish, the 4 hour wasn't strongly bearish, and yeah. Someone asked, where was your stop loss? My stop loss was 850, so like here, around about 11 pips stop. Yeah, 11 pips stop. I wanted it just back below these lows. I wasn't too bothered to have it on the low, because the low is like 13 pips, quite a lot. So Luke is online. Ah, nice. So the hourly did close. It didn't really close that week. It's already moved quite a lot actually for GA, which is good. We can get those sells. Ooh, what sells? Sells where? Finn, did you get that trade? It's very quick. I don't think many people would have.
I did, my good man.
Good lad. Good lad.
I was already thinking about it before you said you were going for it.
Yeah, good
I was
lad.
only
That's
gonna
what I
say
want.
something.
That's what I want. That's what I want to hear. Use your own initiative. Good lad. Good lad. That was quick, man.
I need to make 1.2%.
Fucking hell, that's not bad. In how many days?
Then I'm in. I think I've got to like the 19th of January.
Shit, bro. Well, fucking chill your pants and you'll be good. Good lad.
Yeah, I am. I've been just cruising, waiting for the good ones.
Yeah, man, for sure. Oh, that's wicked then. Like, fuck.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, where did you have
Yeah,
that
boy.
from? What was it on? Is this for like 8%? What was it?
Yeah,
What's this
no,
for?
5. I only have to make
5.
5 the second time.
Oh shit, you're on the second phase. Fuck, bro.
Yeah.
Damn. That's pretty solid.
No. Thanks to you, not me.
Damn, that's some good work, my man. Nah, you
Go.
did it yourself though. You did it yourself. You know, it's all about you. You know, you have the account. If you want to trade, you know, by yourself and you not be disciplined and stuff, you could happily blow that account as well. So you have, you know, you've done it yourself, my man.
Yeah. That's it. You know what I just did before? Because I look at the money real bad, the profit.
Yeah.
So I just went and got a bit of black tape and
Yeah.
I've taped up my screen.
That's what I used to do. So I used to. I had
That's
blue
fine.
tack. I had blue tack over mine in uni to not look at it.
Yeah. I'm fucked. Otherwise, I just look at it.
Yeah. It's a good way of doing it, to be
Oh.
honest. Just focus on it.
Yeah.
Just focus on the trades in the week. And if you know, like you've done 4 trades. You know, 2 winners, 1 loss, 1 break even, and you've done the same lot size. You should be making good money. Like, you know, you should be making money. If you've made 6 trades, you know, 5 winners and 1 loss. You know you make it. You don't need to look at the money really.
Nah, that's it, mate. That's it.
Yeah. To be honest,
Oh.
I might do a little YouTube kind of thing of like showing you how to kind of. I mean, it's over leveraging, but if you know how to trade properly and you know like week in week out you can make profit, it doesn't really matter how big your account is. So like, if you had like a £1,000 account, you could potentially use like a 0.5 lot, a 0.6 lot. As long as you know every single week you're profitable, then you can really start to compound it. As long as you don't lose like fucking 15 trades in a row, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a way of doing it, but you know it's hard. It's a lot harder because, like, you know, if you take 2 losses and you're in a £1,000 account and you've risked, you know, maybe like 100 quid from that, you know, you've just lost 10%. But if you know, like, through each week, you can do it pretty well, to be honest.
Yeah. Mate.
Oh, my runner might get stopped out over here. No. I think this runner was sexy as well. Come on, stay on, boy. Stay on, boy. Yeah, gold for me. Absolutely no way, Jose, I'm taking any trades in this area. It's just not. It's not nice. Oh, shit. I just deleted GA. Fuck's sake. I want to look at GA as well. But yeah, if you guys have missed that GJ trade, all I'm waiting for now is closure above, which would be nice. GA is coming down. 46 minutes left. It's got quite a lot of time. This 50-minute candle's closing in a minute's time. Thing is, GA doesn't really look towards the left. It kind of just falls whenever it wants to fall. I'll keep an eye on it. Let's take a look at where stops would be. If I got in like here. Quite big stops. Beefy stops. Did you close 50%? No, I closed 85. Closed 85. How much you make when you catch 10 pips? I use 7 lot. So you do the maths, boy. You do the maths, boy. So a closure here in a minute's time. Nice. Nice, nice, and nice.
Hey Max,
Hello, hello.
I took my full TP because I put a bit stop loss about you. So
Okay.
could be better for me to stop for today for my psychology.
Yeah, wait, so what happened to you? You closed 50%?
No, I close 100% because
Yeah.
I took a full TP 2-1 operation.
Oh, okay. Wait, but you won the trade, right?
Oh, okay.
No. Did you win the trade? You won the trade. You
Yeah,
closed
I win
50%.
2-1.
2-to-1 risk to reward.
Yeah.
Ah,
2-1
okay.
RR.
Yeah. And you say should you call it a day? Probably this session. Probably this session, yeah, maybe. But for NY for sure, come back. Because you know this thing of like taking one trade a day is kind of like outdated. I think, you know, if there's a really good day and lots of volume, then it's best to take more trades. You know. So yeah, for sure, NY. If you're not busy, for sure, still come to NY. Yeah.
Okay.
For sure. And even me, I might take this a second trade if you do close above over here, because I would take that anyway. So. But yeah, we'll see if this runner stays on over here.
Max,
Yeah.
I think
can you help me with something?
Hey, what?
Can you help me with something?
Yeah.
Type something in the main group. I have a problem with Telegram. I don't know. I don't receive the message.
Wait, this one. This.
Yeah,
one.
the main one. Yeah.
Have you got it on mute here?
It's working. It's working.
That's working. Okay.
No. Yeah. I didn't have an on mute, but I didn't select a sound.
Oh.
And I say, what the fuck? It's not on mute. Why?
Oh, there.
It's not ring.
Nah, it's working now. Yeah, so my runner got stopped out over here. I actually got in quite late. Fucking hell. But yeah, you know, the buys are still, you know, valid as long as you don't exceed the low of the previous 15. That's what bullish structure is. But if it does exceed this low, then yeah, it's struggling to break the highs over here. Look at the 30-minute kind of rejecting. And yeah, I got break even. Ooh, yes. Me. How old are you? I am 21. 21. Do you use fixed lot size now or let Magic Keys handle it? Fixed lot size with Magic Keys. My Magic Keys is just a fixed lot size, and that's what I use. Good morning, Max. Looking forward to join the squad in January. Beautiful. I know a lot of people. I've got like 30 people joining in January. It's going to be so much fun with the squad. It's going to be great shit.
Damn, Max, this JI looks like it's just going to run off.
Yeah, it had no mercy. GA, I've seen it does that a lot. If it just trends, my guy just fucking flies. Like, it doesn't really give you much of a pullback now.
Max, what do you think about GUS?
GU, let's take a look. So GU for me, let's take a look at the higher time frames. 4 hour is bearish, the daily is bullish. Let's see the high of the previous daily. The 4 hour has still got an hour and 42 left, still got quite a lot of time. For me, it would be hard to take sells, to be honest. I think it could potentially be too hard to take sells, just because the daily is a strong candle. The 4 hour, you know, is just making the lower wick here, which is here, to then potentially continue flip and come bullish. So for me, I won't be taking sells. I'll be only waiting on GU for a closure above here. That's what I'll be waiting for. Let's take a look. Guys, check this. Although he gave lost last week. Holy prophet. Apparently, was it this one that said he's a scammer? Someone said he's a scammer here. That's good though. Wow. 0.01s and he made 500 quid. Fucking hell, that's not bad. Okay, Sashin. Hey, how did you open trade with open calc so fast? Did you not set up auto buy stop instead? No, I entered straight away. That's maybe why people didn't get in so early. Wait. Yeah, because yeah, to be fair, I should have put buy instead of just buy stop. Because I just entered mine straight away. Because I already broke it. But yeah, you know where I wanted to get in. Holy Prophet is legit. Oh wow, amazing. The trade taken was support forming. Yes. How did you enter that? I just did this. This is on my smaller account that I used to trade with the social trader tools. You just do this. Open calc. Put it here. Done. That's it. And then you press trade. That's it. It just enters it straight away. So it can be quick. Like the stream, boys. Yeah, man. Lol, this guy is the king of London session. Bro, London session is my realm. Do you know what, right? I thought... Where is it over here? Let's take a look. To be honest, the last couple of weeks have been very, very choppy in London, not gonna lie. Most of my trades have came from NY. But looking over here... Luke trades London's over here, but you know, I'm getting more views than him, and he doesn't really take any proper trades. But on the main kind of scale of things... In the space of like 2 months, I've became the biggest streamer basically, apart from maybe Luke. That's quite big, man. That's a big achievement. Pretty quickly. I thought this would take me years to get, but pretty not. Do you advise trade copier? I don't really get lagging, but then obviously I can't really see if it lags. It may lag, but most of my trades are pretty much identical, so I think it's fine for me. But some other people may have different opinions, but okay, so Euro AUD, so you can trade this pair because you know the Euro's open, AUD isn't. A closure below. Did you just say that? Let's take a look over here. Looking like a closing can be a good sell setup. Yes, for sure. In 12 minutes time. For the 30-minute, yeah, potentially. Then wait for the top wicket and the drive down. That would be nice, I think. That would be very, very nice. So yeah, guys, if you did catch that trade, I heard about you from 10 Pips Daily. Oh, that's nice, man. Yeah, he's my boy. 10 Pips Daily. Yeah, go shout out to 10 Pips Daily. I'll show you. So if you guys are new to trading and stuff, I'll show you what people you should follow. Okay. So you should follow 10 Pips Daily. He's a good lad. Trades very similar to me.
9 times out of 10, it will be on GJ.
I love his accent. It will be on GJ. We're going to pub.
He actually requested this. They said, can we do...
I'm from Leeds and from Yorkshire. So yeah, 10 Pips Daily, obviously Raja. I think Ted is a good one. Controller Effects, Dr. Dollar, like all of them, they're all good. Give you some good motivation and stuff. I found a guy on YouTube, Ahmed Daniel is the name. He's amazing with account flips. Ah, nice. Account flipping. Wow, look at that rejection now. Holy shit. You ever thought about actually transferring money by seeing where price should go off daily candles? You ever thought about actually transferring money by seeing where price should go off? What do you mean? I don't get that. Transferring money by seeing where price... I have no idea what you're on about. Should go off the... Do you mean like just trading off the daily? Someone goes... Let's take a look over here. 1 pip silence in the charts. You, Raja, and Controller are probably the top. Yeah, thanks, Bart. That's a good lad. Yeah, I'm trying to like grow and get a bigger audience on Instagram, but that shit's hard, man. I don't know what to do. Like, You know, I post stuff, but you know, I don't get loads of views. I don't know. It's because I need to flex like Lambos and shit, man. Ah, it's so tempting. So tempting. I was in the Harrods store as well. I was like, oh, I could make some clips here, but like, bro, it's just not what I want to do, man. I want to provide value. Daniel Savage is a good Instagrammer. Facts, like, bro, I could do that shit. I'm lucky enough to have like Lambos and Ferraris around me. I could easily milk it, but I just don't think it's like, don't think it's right. I think it's just a bit unethical. I may do it like when I caught my own, but I don't know. I just don't think it's beneficial. But people like that, so it's like, bro, if you want to pay for my Lambo, give me them views, boy. Welsh English. Wait, who's Welsh? Some people call me Welsh. I'm like, I am not Welsh at all. Max, how come, or the reason why you don't look at DXY and JPY? I just don't need to. I've got my pairs and I'm just happy with them. I learnt off Raja, so Raja took these pairs and I've just been used to them for a while. So someone goes, are you a student of Raja? I've never bought anything from Raja apart from Magic Keys, but I've learnt from him, yes, in his streams. I was on his streams for 2 years straight, every single day at university. I was always there. Bro, the thing is, not many people want to read your post and learn from it. They want results. Something like how I made 1 fucking million in 10 minutes. Yeah, man. I'm gonna have to do more of them then. Fuck it. What's your goal with your trading account? There's not really a goal now. It's just doing its thing, isn't it? I don't have any monetary goals with it because I think if you set monetary goals, you're stressing yourself out. I've got a big account as it is. I'm not asked. Hopefully next year in like January, February, I'll be increasing my lot size again. And yeah, I'll just do what I do best, managing risk on the downside and winning on the good side. Very, very simple. So this week, you know, I did 1 little loss yesterday and 1 win today. I took off 10 to 11 pips on this one and lost 6.8 to 7 on the other one. So, you know, 1 win, 1 loss, already profitable. Did trading make you financially independent? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. At the start, though, this is funny, right? Trading made me financially dependable right now. You know, I make my own money. I'm good now. But at the start of my trading career, it made me financially independent. I had to go and ask for some fucking bank loans and shit because I lost so much money on it through my dad and shit. So yeah, this is why I'm going to be going through on Zoom through the squad about the whole over trading, over risking, gambling thing. It needs to be set in stone. You need to have someone who's gone through it considerably. I lost like over like £10,000 in like 3 years when I started trading, and that was my own money, and obviously I overspent, so I was in like overdrafts and shit, and had to get out of there. So don't want you guys to do it, especially you older people who have a lot more money, because you know you're just older in general. If you flip your accounts a couple of times and lose them like 3 times, and you've got a big wad of money in, you're pretty fucked. I was lucky enough to do it when I was younger and learn the key lessons when I was like fucking 17, 18 to then now. But if you're a bit older and you've got 20 grand in your account, 30 grand in your account, you lose that. That's a big, that's a mortgage that's a deposit on a house, so I need to really put you into full force of that. I lost 10k USD loans and credit cards before I came here last week. Wow. Well, hopefully it's a new section, my man. Are you looking to sell gold under 1781? I mean, let's take a look on the 15. Let's take a look over here. I mean, potentially, yeah. 1781, that'll be the flip of the 4 hour. I'll be rejecting them highs. Yeah, potentially. I may look for that. What's your percentage gain this week so far? I've only taken 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 win, and now that was 1.4. My other one was about 1, so I'm up about 0.4%. Last week I was up like 5. The week before I was up like 3, then 5, then 15, then 10, then 9. But the only thing is, it's consistent, boy. Especially with these shit months, like where it's quite rangy. Consistent. If you look at the best traders, their trades taken in the last quarter compared to trades taken in like the first and second quarter will be significantly lower. Significantly lower. Because we know price doesn't act well in the last quarter because people are on holiday, people are chilling. What's your capital to be able to take 7 lots? Well, you do the maths. If I risk like 1.2, 1.4% and I trade 7 lots, you can do the math. You can do the maths. So GU, you know, identifying the zone. It's in the zone, right? No trades to be taken in here, for sure. I think now a lot of you people, if I do a session, I may actually do that. I may pull up a chart, and I want to go, yeah, I might do that as a simulation. So I pull up a chart here, a random day, and I want to show you, I want you to go from start to finish, where the zones are, what you're looking for, and I think you guys can all do that because you can guys all annotate. We can go through it person by person, really. Because the zones, do you guys in Zoom now feel pretty confident with the zones? The zones are pretty easy, I think. I think they're probably the easiest thing to do with trading. They're not hard to learn, you know. You do the 4 hour, you do the daily, you get the kind of grasp of where price is right now. Then you go to like the 30 and the 50 minute. You look at where support is held, which is like here. Look at resistance, wait for buys above, wait for closures below. Or if you look at other setups, you look for, you know, support forming, etc. It's pretty simple, isn't it? It's not fucking hard. Yeah, zones are now pretty easy to figure out. Amazing. Yeah. It is. And then all you have to do now is get your folder out, get all of your, your G drive out, get all of your setups over here. Like here. And then just wait until one of them comes. It's pretty simple. If I could code a bot to do it, it would be very good. And then the risk management side as well is pretty good as well. We always go, you know, if you have a 50-minute closing in the opposite direction, you take off the position as a full, really. Lots of ways to manage risk. This looks nice, and then the 5 minutes here starting to make some support over here. That's what Sasha does with us. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna do that. That's a good idea. Good idea. A story about your journey will add so much value. Yes, I think that could be a good YouTube one, actually. Yeah. You trade your capital or prop firm? My own capital, but I used a prop firm for 9 months. Do you recommend any books? Yes. Joe, make sure to go and look. This is on Discord, by the way. Let's take a look over here. Where is it? Trading books. Make sure to go to trading books and go to where is it? Trading in the Zones, one that I loved. I love that one. Very, very good. Dude. So, wow, there's some really good questions today, actually. Wow, amazing stuff. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. I haven't heard the Wolf of Wall Street subscription thing yet. Make sure to do that. Oh well, I'm only trading next Thursday and Friday and day 15 and interest rates. Also, almost 2022. Imagine. I know, man. 2022. Jeez. There'll be some big things coming. It will be very, very good. I'm going to actually try and get some people on for the stream. I think that'll be pretty good. The only issue is most of them are in America and Canada, and they're not really trading. They're not open. They're not up. So I may try and get some people on there. How can I get your folder with setups? It's in just for the mentorship group on the G drive. It's all there. What's your views on adding 2 positions and then closing one at break even? What do you mean? Like you add one. What do you mean? Do you add another trade? At the same position, or why are you not with FTMO? Because I have my own funds. I don't need FTMO. I don't want the percentage hassle. I've got my own funds, boy. I think adding 2 positions can be a good opportunity, to be honest. Then we ask for the next candle until we see we're gonna enter. Ah, beautiful. That's a great idea. It's a great idea, actually. Yo, Max, how do you decide how much to withdraw from your trading account at the end of the month? Depends on the circumstances, depend on what I want to withdraw, but you know, I'll look at the percentage. I'll look at the percentage gain for the month, and I'll just take out what I think's sensible. I normally leave in like half though, to be honest, because I like the compounding. So for example, if I make like, I normally make like 30% or 35%, like kind of averaging on a decent month. Then I'll take out like probably like 15 and leave in 20. Yeah. Because the compounding effect is really what's good, you know. You can make bank on the compounding for sure. So Hourly rejected it again. Damn, son. Potentially sells below 824 now, as we've rejected it twice. That makes enough sense for me to take sells, really. Yeah, boy, yeah, boy. So yeah, 10 minutes left. We'll see where this closes. Is the 30-minute going to close as well? Nah, 24 minutes left. So look at the price action here. You can kind of see it's not the best now. You know, this shows volatility. This shows weak kind of structure and momentum because the body of the candle is quite small, and like lots of wicks to this downside. So I'm gonna chill for a second, wait for this closure. What months do you find the most profitable / most volume? March and February. February and March are the best ones for me. They have been anyway in the past couple of years. Let's see what Lucky Boy is doing over here. If you guys haven't liked the stream as well, make sure to smash that like button.
I'm a dip. See y'all later.
Did you have people on with him?
I got myself let's say a document.
I'm in sales.
177728. That's where I got it.
2728. Oh, that's pretty low. That's nice.
Nice. After you lost the 10k pounds, you entered with Funning Town and rescaled. No, after I lost the 10k, I had a break from trading for around about 4 months, I think, 5 months. And what I kind of thought was that I really like doing this. You know, I really enjoy doing it. It's like my passion. So if I'm gonna be doing it forever, then let's just fucking learn it properly instead of just fucking about. And that's when I sat on Raja's stream for fucking hours every single day, learning every single day, listening to every single word Ted said on social media. I didn't ask the stupid questions. I only asked Ted one question when I was learning, like when I didn't really have my Instagram. And that was on a Zoom call. He made like a Zoom call free for everyone on Instagram, like just to come on. And the one thing I asked him was on gold, like, do you take a lot of break-even trades? You know, do you re-enter quite a lot? And he says, yeah, I take break-even trades basically every day. So that's the one thing I entered. I don't ask how much money have you got, what lot size you use, why don't you trade this, why don't you trade that. You know, I ask questions that are going to help me. So yeah, that's what I did. And then, you know, being on Raja's stream for fucking 2 years straight, every single day, you start to see, you know, patterns. You start to see what he's trading with, and you start to basically, you know, what's it called? You start to basically know exactly what's coming out of his mouth. So there was a point at the end of like second year, like I think mid-3 second year, where I wouldn't even have to. What I'd do is I'd record myself. I'd say what I think we're gonna have for the session, what we're looking for, and then I'd stop it. Then I'd wait until Raja comes on, record what he says, and it's literally like spitting double. Like it's pretty much exactly the same, and that's when I knew I was starting to get good. But yeah, it was mainly the emotion side. I over risked like shit, you know. I hated taking a losing trade. It pissed me off. So yeah. 10k now, you make it in a week. Yeah, but it took a lot of time though. Oh, gold over here. Made some support. To continue back up. Flip the 4 hour again, actually, didn't it? Oh, I never actually flipped the 4 hour. Yeah, it's just the zone that's in, especially in the daily, for me, kind of puts me off for sure. Oh yeah, when I was in London, I got that luxury Uber. What is it called? Luxury Uber. That's sick. I like that. I was riding this bitch. I saw the list of them and I was like, oh, sick. I'm gonna go and cars. Yeah, they have I wanted a Model S, to be honest, but they also had they had Rolls Royces on. I was like, no way. I was like, if I get one of them, I was like, no way. So 5 minutes left for this closure, potentially to take a sell over here. So what am I looking at? You know, the 4 hours got an hour left. It's rejected the high again. So potentially. I do want the closure below though. We shall see. We shall see. 4 minutes time, still got a lot of time, which is good. Yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram, guys. As I say, make sure to comment on all my posts, and you get automatically entered into Magic Keys. My next Magic Keys will be probably on the last trading day of this year, which will be, I think it's on, let's take a look over here. It'll be on the 16th, I think 17th I may be going, it depends what time I go on the 17th, but maybe the 16th or 17th, the last trading day. Let's try and hit 5,000 followers as well, guys. If you haven't done that already, make sure you hit up the Instagram. The Nightbot has just put it in. GA over here just came down nicely, filled that wick up. That's kind of what I wanted it to do, but anyway, I've already taken a nice trade. What the fuck is that comment? Max, you've got the cute Asian eyes. I actually get that a lot, man. I do have a bit of Asian eyes in me, but I'm not Asian at all. I am literally complete dead stock fucking English, but I've been told I look black sometimes. I've been told I look Greek, because I'm like a hairy fucking black guy. GBP AUD bouncing pair going from supply to demand. Yeah. It trends very nicely though, I do think. It does trend pretty nicely. So it should go back down to the support 874. Max, how the fuck you look black? Nah, so not fully black, like as a mixed race, like yeah. Some guy came up to be fair, some guy came up to me in a club and he goes to me, oh, like, where are you from? Like, you know, you mixed race stuff. And I was like, no. And he goes, oh, well, I am. And he did look pretty much identical to me. It's because I got curly hair, curly black hair. Kind of looks a bit like it. But yeah, he was like, what? You like nothing? You got nothing? I was like, yeah, bro. I'm from Middlesbrough. I'm like the whitest kid you'll meet. He was like, shit. There's one guy on Instagram. I'll try and find this fucking thing, and this guy looked like me, like, and this guy is fully Greek. I'm pretty sure. Bearing in mind he is a sexier looking guy than me, but let's just take a look over here. Stuff. Yeah, this is it. This guy is fully Greek. Yeah, and he looks pretty similar to me. Stav. He's pretty similar. He's got the big fuck off eyebrows like me.
Oh my god, he does.
Yeah. Yeah, he's fully like, he went to like some private school, and I remember his mates coming like to me in like a club, and he's like, "Oh, you're fucking Strav." I was like, "I'm not fucking Strav." Mate, he's a fucking sexy looking man. Like, holy shit. So a minute 40 closure below. Let's see.
Sounds like you got a little bit of a crush there.
Yeah, just
Yeah, I
a
was gonna
little
say.
one, a little one, a little one.
Basically giving yourself a compliment there,
Yeah.
aren't you? Like, oh, he looks exactly like me. He's a sexy guy.
One comment I
What's your
appreciate
thoughts
good
on
looking
this
bro.
GJ?
I kind of want the closure.
30
if I'm
minute.
honest. I might just wait for the 30. Yeah.
30-minute no top weight. Well, little one.
Yeah, so I might just wait for this 30 to close. To be honest, this 15 anyway is normally going to close below, so I'm gonna wait for this 30 for sure. You look like Arya Stark. Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that?
Game of Thrones, the little girl.
Fuck off. Oh, I found some guy on TikTok, and I don't know who he looks like, but my god, he's hilarious. Like, he just looks like someone, and I saw his comment, I was like, oh, it is actually him, but I don't know if it is. Let me see. I think I liked loads of his photos last night. I must have liked him.
Have you done the DNA test?
No, I haven't. I have not. I have not. That would be quite interesting, to be fair. I have no
Yeah, I'm
idea.
not sure how much I believe in it. I think it's like 90 quid or something.
Is it?
I'm just going to do it. I've got 2 sisters, so I'm going to split it 3 ways.
Yeah.
It's quite interesting.
I think it would be quite interesting. I have no idea. I like, I'm not like fucking. I don't look like I'm bloody from Finland or Sweden, do I? Like, I'm definitely like somewhere like Middle Eastern or some shit.
Yeah, I think like Southern Europe or Middle Eastern or something.
Yeah. Gold is continuing. Nice. But yeah, I'm not going to be playing with gold in this little region here. I don't like it. No me gusta, no me gusta. Good morning, I am late. Ah, you're late. You are late. Gold's so rangy at the end of the year. Yeah, man, it's just sitting here. You can see like this position here I'm just not happy with, really. It's not the nicest. Like, look how clean this is. Very, very nice. That structure there on the daily is gorgeous. Just next to the low. Wait until the low's formed, flip back up, and then there you go. Very, very simple. This here is basically what GJ did this morning. Price comes up, makes a support, closes back up, and then wait for the low wick, and then we entered here on GJ. See, all price action just works on all time frames, which is a good thing about it. So 30 minutes left for this closure, but yeah, really, really solid trade today. Very, very happy with it. 107 people in as well. Nice. So yeah, we do start the NY session around about 12 o'clock. If you guys do want to join that for the last couple of days, then for sure, come and head along. That'd be pretty fire. And
So
yeah.
Max,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, mate. I know you said you're finishing on the 16th. Will you be doing the streams up until the 16th as well?
Yeah.
On New York?
Yeah.
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 And then you start again around the 6th, you said, wasn't it?
I think well, do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go back test. We're gonna go see where the volume comes back in. But I think it could be the 3rd. To be honest, it may be.
Yeah.
Yeah, I may just start on the 3rd. Or we'll see if the days are really, really rangy. Maybe in the middle of the week, maybe the Monday. We'll see. But yeah, I'll get it as soon as possible. As soon as I see things start to move again, then I'll just go with it for sure. You look like Zac Efron, but lower quality. How the fuck do I look like Zac Efron? My guy's like not dark
Poor
featured
man,
at
Zac
all.
Efron.
Yeah, I wish Zac Efron. Mahmood, you can go be peaceful somewhere else. The fuck. Yeah, nothing really much anymore, to be honest. The volume's kind of dropped off on this. You can give it a nice push here, though. This was solid. This happened pretty much instantly as well. This is good. Nice 5 minute. Nice 5 minute. I still do think GJ is bullish. I still think we will continue bullish eventually, but it will be interesting to see where this 4 hour closes. Okay, if it closes kind of bullish, then we're good. If you close bearish, though, it's going to be quite hard. And may do something like this. We shall have to see. Oh, have you seen like Boris Johnson was walking around with a bunch of police, like trying to like get down on drugs? Oh my god, what a waste of time that is. Oh god, I fucking hate his guts. They're trying to stop down drugs and crime and stuff. The only way to do that fuckwit is legalize it. Holy shit, it's not hard. We are going to crack down on every single person that does drugs and every single criminal that sells it. Okay, good luck for that, because you've been trying to do that for the past fucking 40 years and you've still gone nowhere near. It's actually gone up. Just fucking legalize it and not make it a big issue, and then there's no gangs and stuff fighting over shit, because it's fucking legal. God, I hate his fucking guts. Sorry guys, I'm just having a little rant about Boris. The guy who snorted coke when he was at uni as well. Fucking hypocrite. Anyway. So later on, yeah, I'm going to be starting the stream like 12 o'clock for NY session, and we'll be going through there, which is good. I'm excited with that. Which is good. I'm excited for the NY session, for sure. 71 likes. Wow, we've done amazing today. We've done amazing. And yeah, GG kind of... It's going to be interesting to see where this 4 hour closes for sure. But in 9 minutes time, we may be getting the closure here, potentially. Potentially. No impulses for me, because I'm not silly. Google Dreamboat, that's how you look like to the gulag. I want to find this guy on TikTok, it's fucking hilarious. I just forgot what his name was. Oh, there, Italian New Yorker food guy. Let's get it. Food guy. He just looks like a character, and I think it's the guy off Ratatouille. Oh my god. He says brush your hair, that's it. Your hair guy. Yeah, there we go. I think I'm gonna get it here. I'm in EA Cell Trade. It's going fire. Ooh, Simran, send me it. Send me the chart. I want to see this EA. Ooh, 8 minutes time. We should potentially getting a closure here. Take a look at the hourly. Yes, and there's the hourly closure as well. So make a nice top wick and then a drive down. Potentially could squeeze out another 10 pips. Ah, yes, I found him. I'll wait for this. Let me just show you this. This fucking dude. I think it's the Ratatouille guy, but I swear he's mixed with something else. It's just his face just looks like a fucking Disney character, I swear. Look at this fucking dude.
Than your sister's heart out there, so instead of getting a bacon, egg, and heart attack, we're gonna do a little egg in the hole, extra butter, a little
extra butter. He's proper New York.
Fucking house today.
He looks like is it the Ratatouille guy? Ratatouille. I have no idea how to spell it. Wait. But I don't know if it is the Ratatouille guy. Nah, it's a bit like him. But I think it's someone else, but I can't put my name on it.
Moonshine Monday, forget about it.
Like, look, he's got like zero chin. He's got like inverse chin.
It just looks... drowning my sorrows in a half a stick of butter. Everyone's got to go back to work today. Fucking feel sorry for those people.
I fucking love him. I love his accent. His accent's sick. Wish.com Jesus. Yeah, they say he's like the Italian Jesus. Oh, beautiful. So wow, so that was great, man. So you literally went from the start, you talked to me about it before. Where was it? It was somewhere. Looking like a closing and can it be a good sell setup. Beautiful. So then you waited for the closure. Looks like you did, and then you entered when we started driving down. Beautiful. That worked out nicely. Did you watch the race past Sunday? I watched the highlights, yeah. Damn. I watched the highlights. Oh, I want Verstappen to win, man. I don't like fucking Hamilton, but anyway. He looks like one of the actors, forgot his name. Yeah, he looks like someone, but I don't think it's him. I don't think it's the Ratatouille guy. He looks like... I don't know what he looks like. So it goes, just visiting your stream, the first thing I hear you angry shouting to legalize drugs. Fucking true, man. 5 minutes. Let's take a look. What was the name of that guy on TikTok? Meals by Chug or something?
Egg in the hole, heavy salt, you know, get the blood pressure going.
Get the blood pressure going. Yeah, he always talks about his arteries and
3
shit.
eggs. Fucking A, we're doing pepper jack cheese, so I'm basically eating a salad with the peppers in there. Starting off the day with a fucking gentleman-like move. I hit it with way too much sriracha, my mouth is on fucking fire. Oof. 8 out of 5 Maroons. Take care, brush your hair.
Is that Boston? Where's Boston at? Is it New York, yeah? Boston. That's a sick accent. I love that accent. He looks like the food critic from Ratatouille. No, he doesn't. Oh god. Yeah, he just cooks, man. He just fucking cooks. But to be fair, he makes some good scran. I was looking at that shit yesterday, like me. He makes this shit good. But yeah, his just face just looks to me. Sorry.
Gene, I caught the case for fat fuckitis this morning, so now we're doing a steak, grilled cheese, sherry onions, provolone, pepper jack. We're gonna make some sherry onions for this sandwich. So you gotta julienne the onion. First time I heard julienne in the kitchen, I thought they were talking about some broad. Turns out it's just the way you cut the onion. You just cut it like with the grain, nice, thin. Man's nothing crazy. We're painting our sourdough with herb, butter, and future heart problems. But there's garlic and rosemary in there, so a little fucking healthy. How you doing? Basically a salad. A little more.
How you doing? Gee, you looking good for a sell? Broken Chef, yeah, man, he's pretty good. I mean, yeah, potentially. I mean, the hourly's closing in 3 minutes, which is good. The 4 hour is bearish as hell, potentially exceeding the low and flipping the daily. The only issue now is you need to see where could the next candle reject. And there's one here, so resistance is like here, which is a bit annoying. If it closes below, though, however, to then fill up this zone, potentially, I think, but closes here would be nicer, I think. He looks like Tom Green's from years ago. Tom Green. He looks like homeless Nicolas Cage. Someone else said Nicolas Cage. What does Nicolas Cage look like? I'm so shit with names, like, I'm fucking... yeah, he does look a bit like Nicolas Cage, actually. It looks like...
The grey one. The grey one was...
Tom Green. Yeah, Tom Green. Yeah, nah, it's somewhat. I swear it's like a movie character though. He just maybe it's just a stereotypical fucking Italian New Yorker. He just looks a spitting image of what I expect him to sound like. I don't have social media, but that's fun as fuck. Yeah, don't I say this now. Do not, for the love of God, spend any time on TikTok. You will get addicted to it, and you will have no life after. Shit is too funny. It's TikTok is a thing of many things. It is great. He looks like Cartoon Cook from Ratatouille. Cartoon Cook. What the fuck? What the fuck? Cartoon Cook. Who the fuck's that? Oh, is it the little one? No, he does. It does a bit. It does a bit look like the main chef from Ratatouille. He does a bit because he's like, but it's not the full face. It's like a bit of him. It's the face of the face of him. I think looks like it. Like look, the face does look like him because he's got like no chin and like a bit of a nose. Oh god. Deleted TikTok a month ago after realizing how addicted I got. Oh mate. Yeah. If you have like 3 hours to burn because you're waiting for something or something, like bro, that shit will disappear. Like fully disappear. So where targets could be, let's take a look over here. Kind of support it here, 688. That is the first one. Potentially back down to 580 over here. TikTok is like sort of camel, your body doesn't stand a chance. Yeah, it is. It's a thing of great pleasure. Ah, it's just amazing. Like, I could be scrolling for like an hour and I'll find out one video that just made it all worth it. Oh, God. Right. 7 seconds left. Beautiful. So what am I waiting for now? A nice top wick. To be fair, the zones here are pretty good. Ah, don't just melt down. It just melted down pretty quickly over here. You have to wait a bit longer for a top wick. Give me the top wick, boy, but it looks like it's starting to continue down over here. May have missed this. Oh shit, this looks like news. I feel it. Did GU close down? Yeah, kind of the same thing. This looks like news over here, guys. Ah, that's a shame. Yeah, this is dropping, boy. Well, that's a shame. We just did the move for us. This looks like news. I'm not gonna lie. Feels like news. It just the way I say like feel with news doesn't mean like it's just ran a lot. It's what I'm looking at on the ticker, like here. I'm seeing like a lot of big spikes, like a lot of just like look. Can you see? It's just it's quite volatile. You see, it's just moving up and down. I think you just get used to knowing what news looks like, and that is 100% what news looks like. So it did the move with me fucking 15 milliseconds into the candle. Couldn't really take that. What I wanted here, guys, is a nice top wick, probably to the zone here, and then the flip, and then I would have got that trade. But now, you know, it's moved down now with a lot of news. If you didn't catch that there, I'd probably leave it for sure. I think getting in now is quite hard to take trades, to be honest. And yeah. Look at GU now. Yeah, GU just dumped both news events with GBP. Looks like. Let's take a look at GU as well. Oh, GA didn't move at all. What the fuck? GA just completely doesn't correlate with GBP at all, really. So what am I waiting for later on? I'm either going to see if price continues back up over here to get some buys, or for me, potential sells and trying to see where I could potentially get sells. Probably on the daily flip, and not gonna lie, probably below 406. I think that would be nice because I'll have the daily with me. Hopefully this continues down, and then we can get nice trades from 400 to 980. Nice like 40-50 pip zone here. And there we go.
What about on the next 4-hour candle? Then you'll be riding it back up with the bias on the daily and the 4-hour.
Riding it back up? What do you mean for sells? No, for buys?
No, I mean like if there were potentially a closure on this 4-hour down by this level here, and then the next 4-hour opens up and starts to move back up. You've got the bias with the 4-hour and the daily.
Oh yeah. What what you mean? For you don't until it gets to here for sales. You mean buys? But the 4 hours is gonna. But the 4 hours closing bearish though.
No, so you'd be against the previous. Candle,
yeah. I mean, unless we do have a nice 4-hour candle that is starting to be quite strong and come above, then yeah, potentially I'm gonna look in that area taking buys again. But yeah, for sure, like in this zone here, like from here to here potentially, I wouldn't be taking buys just because I know that this could be an option for top wick and then driving.
True.
Yeah.
Okay, so sales would be more preferable now because of this strong 4-hour move down.
Yeah, and even better, more so would be down here because the daily will be with us. We'll be rejecting the zone again, which will be coming back into this zone, and hopefully should be filling this zone back down for sure. Yeah. That's
what about the gold today?
Pardon?
What about the gold today?
Gold, gold potentially. I want sells below 1777. That would be nice. That could happen later on. Looking good though now. Look at the 4-hour rejecting. The daily time frame will potentially flip, but yeah. NY session when we get a volume like before, I'll be looking for sells below 1777. Potentially a closure looking like this. Next one makes a nice top wick, and then we get the drive. That's what I'd look for sure. But I don't want to be playing with gold in this area here. It's rangy, it's choppy, I don't like it. But yeah, for sure. In there will be nice. And yeah, guys, I think I'm going to leave it off here. We did one great trade over here. Went straight to 10 pips pretty much instantly. No drawdown I took. But yeah, thank you very much, guys, for coming on. GA came to our TP that we looked for over here, which is at the support zone. Very, very nice. GU has just moved off with this news, and gold kind of range hasn't really done much for us this kind of session. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see the Zoom squad for NY session where we do it all over again. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, YouTube, and see you later, Zoom boys. See you later, guys. Peace out.
Cheers.
See you later, guys. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. Make sure to drop a like before you leave. It really helps me out, and we could do more giveaways with the more likes, etc. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, squad. See you later, guys.